KTM have added factory edition versions to their 4-stroke 2016 SX motocross bikes. The special edition machines feature a host of new parts on the already overhauled 2016 SX range, which was introduced back in June 2015. The two new limited editions mirror those of the 450 SXF and 250 SXF machines raced in North America by the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing and Troy Lee Designs Red Bull KTM teams, respectively, in the Supercross and AMA Motocross series this year. The graphics are identical to those run by Ryan Dungey, 450, and Jesse Nelson, 250, and are exclusive to the factory editions, and not available as power parts options. Both bikes boast orange frames compared to the black of the standard SX machines, and identical seats as the race teams, right down to the Adidas stripes on the TLD bike. The 250 SXF also gets an orange plastic subframe/airbox to make it a true replica. Other changes include the use of Dirt Star black rims as opposed to Excel, a front brake disc guard, different grips and a gold Regina racing chain connecting different gearing that includes an anodized orange final drive sprocket. Performance-wise, the 450 features a 5-speed gearbox and sounds more ferocious through its Akrapovic titanium slip-on silencer. The 250 receives an FMF slip-on silencer, identical to that used by the team. Both bikes received revised fuel mapping to suit the different exhausts and the preference of the US riders. Although the leading WP suspension is identical to that of the standard SX models, they come with a new competition setting, and the WP Air 48 air forks are held by anodized orange yokes. This is the first time US factory edition KTMs have been available in Europe and will cost £7,449 and £7,849, an increase of £600 and £650 over the stock bikes, but with a huge array of additional items.